Welcome to Yes Kid Educational Channel.
What do you do every morning?
I brush my teeth and have breakfast.
Where do you live?
I live in an apartment downtown.
What time does your class start?
My class starts at 9:30 a.m.
How often do you exercise?
I exercise 3 times a week.
Who do you usually have lunch with?
I usually have lunch with my colleagues.
What do you like to do in your free time?
I like to read books or watch movies.
When does the bus arrive?
The bus arrives in 20 minutes.
What kind of music do you listen to?
I listen to pop and rock music.
Who cooks dinner in your family?
My mom cooks dinner every day.
How do you go to work or school?
I go to work by bus.
How many languages do you speak?
I speak English and French.
Where do you work?
I work at a restaurant.
What do you usually eat for breakfast?
I usually eat cereal or toast for breakfast.
What time do you wake up on weekends?
I wake up around 8 a.m. on weekends.
What do you wear to work or school?
I wear casual clothes to work.
Do you drink coffee in the morning?
Yes, I drink coffee every morning.
Where do you like to go on vacation?
I like to go to the beach for vacation.
What do you do after work or school?
I usually go to the gym or hang out with friends.
What do you study at school?
I study math and science at school.
What do you do on rainy days?
I like to stay indoors and watch movies.
Where do you usually go shopping?
I usually go shopping at the mall.
What do you do when you're bored?
I usually read books or play video games.
Do you have any hobbies?
Yes, I enjoy painting and playing guitar.
What do you do before going to bed?
I brush my teeth and read a book.
What do you do on weekends?
I usually hang out with friends or relax at home.
How many people are in your family?
There are 5 people in my family.
What do you like to drink with dinner?
I like to drink water or juice with dinner.
Do you have any allergies?
No, I didn't have any allergies.
What do you do for fun?
I like to go hiking or play sports for fun.
What do you do in the evening?
I usually watch TV or go for a walk in the evening.
What do you do in the summer?
I like to go swimming and have barbecues in the summer.
Do you have any plans for the weekend?
Yes, I'm going to a concert with friends.
What do you do when you're feeling sad?
I talk to a friend or listen to music when I'm feeling sad.
What do you do when you're angry?
I take deep breaths and try to calm down.
What do you do when you're sick?
I rest in bed and drink plenty of fluids.
What do you do when you're stressed?
I like to take a walk or meditate when I'm stressed.
What do you do before leaving the house?
I make sure I have my keys and phone before leaving the house.
Who is in your family?
My family includes my parents, siblings, and me.
What do you like to do with your family?
We enjoy playing games and going for walks together.
Where does your family live?
We live in a house in the city.
Do you have any pets in your family?
Yes, we have a dog named Timmy.
How often do you have family meals?
We have family meals every day.
What chores do you do in your family?
I help with dishes and take out the trash.
Does your family celebrate birthdays?
Yes, we celebrate birthdays with cake and presents.
Who wakes up first in your family?
My mom usually wakes up first.
What time does your family go to bed?
We usually go to bed around 10 o'clock.
Does your family watch TV together?
Yes, we watch TV together in the evening.
Who cooks in your family?
My mom usually cooks dinner for us.
What do you like about your family?
I like that we always support each other.
Does your family go on vacation?
Yes, we go on vacation every summer.
Who helps you with homework in your family?
My sister helps me with my homework.
Do you have family traditions?
Yes, we have a tradition of going camping every summer.
How does your family celebrate holidays?
We celebrate by decorating the house and cooking special meals.
Thanks for watching. For watching more educational videos, please find the link given in the description box and subscribe to our channel.